친구가 한 명 농구하고 있어서 같이 할 수 있으면 좀 한번 해보려고 합니다. 헤이.
안녕하세요.
오케이. Three, four. Nice. 제가 이게 잘하네. 5개 던졌는데 4개 들어가네. 하나를 놓쳤어. 0점 조준이 안 돼갖고 공이 달라요. 농구공이 작아. 축구공 던지는 것 같은 느낌이라서 1대1 하자고 하려고 그랬는데 뭔가 이게 기본. 치즈구나.
Amasa ide damat ide.
What is it?
Ide. Amasa. 사슬소나라 호피.
너무 조금 남았나 보다.
시어버차.
와, 땀 엄청 뺐습니다. 장 보는데 제가 잘 몰라갖고 무게도 어느 정도 이상 넣어야 되고 막 묻는 거예요. 막 계속 놀리고 그래갖고 진짜 너무 힘들었어요. 주방 같은 곳이고요. 곰 보세요. 곰 진짠가? 와, 독수리도 있네요. 여운가? 주인 남자분이 취향이 독특하시네요.
But we use it in Georgian national dances.
National dances.
Yes. Photo. It was made for our friends because we opened this guest house. Yes, Georgian beer from wild pig. Here.
Here, better.
Yes, of course. Georgia is country of wine.
Gori peoples are kind,
Yes.
and Tbilisi peoples are like always like. Come on.
So.
This is grape juice.
Yes, it is Gori. It's very expensive plastic because.
It's wine.
Yes, wine.
부드럽다. I visited the restaurant.
Which restaurant?
It's lunch. Black Stars
Black Stars.
gave me wine too. This one.
In Georgian, small, only Georgian. This is fine, only Georgian.
Show me.
That they made it.
Just a present for present. Or
Yeah,
you
for
paid
glass.
money.
No, present. Present.
Glass.
Glass.
Okay.
Glass.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good too.
But which one would you prefer to drink?
It's kind of different, cause these ones are more likely with meat, steaks like,
Yes.
and
yes.
this one's like with like these.
Snacks.
Yeah.
Yes.
I guess so.
Sweetness. Very nice.
Wow.
Our production.
Handmade.
Yes, handmade. By the way, they call to my husband master of jaja, master of cognac.
Mr. Konya.
Great for making wine, alcohol, jaja, everything. This photo also.
Oh. Oh. What is it?
Chacha.
Oh. Jaja.
Chacha. Chacha. Khorgo. Our name.
Khorgo.
Khorgo.
Jaja.
By the way, Khorgo means
와인을 만들 때 쓰는 오크통 같은 건데 코르고라고 한답니다. 그래서 여기 숙소 이름을 코르고라고 지었다고. 지금 40도짜리. What is jaja mean?
Chacha. It is called alcohol from wine we are making.
So this is wine?
No, it is chacha. Chacha.
Chacha.
Like vodka.
아,
Like at once.
아 이거 40도예요. Very soft. 왜 이렇게
In a new
부드럽지?
technique, in a new... honey. This one.
또 가져오시.
Still cold?
No,
No.
no. I can sleep outside.
No.
Strawberry.
Yes. From
되게
strawberry
진하네.
aromat. Yes.
Never tasted before.
Ah.
Tastes like strawberry gum. Thank you for all the drinks.
If you liked, you can have a little one in addition.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Okay, this will be the last.
It is our habit when tourists say that, oh, I like this very much, then we add them. We need all day to degustate our wine and alcohol.
So strong. 이거 엄청 세요. 40도짜리인데. Anyway, thank you for it. Say hi.
Hi, Korea. My best regards to your country, to your family, to your friends, everybody.
Tell them welcome here.
We are from Georgia, from Gori. We have our own guest house. Now adding more apartments. Our friend, now we are friends, yes?
Yeah, sure.
Our visitor from Korea came and chose our guest house, and we are very thankful for this.
Thank you. Come to Gori.
Come to Gori, yes.
이렇게 저는 여기까지 오늘 찍도록 하겠습니다. 내일 또 다른 도시에 가면서 찾아뵙도록 하겠습니다. 안녕. 바이.
Bye.